Describe the result of adding a large positive number and a smaller negative number. The result is a smaller positive number and is the same as ignoring the signs and subtracting the smaller number from the larger. How do you convert a fraction into a decimal? Divide the top number by the bottom number. What is the key step that must be performed in order to add and subtract unlike fractions? You must find the lowest common denominator. How do you divide one fraction by another? You must invert the divisor and multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. How can you convert a decimal into a percent? Multiply the decimal by 100 and add the percent sign. Or move the decimal point 2 places to the right and add the percent sign. How do you convert a fraction into a percent? Convert it to a decimal, move the decimal point 2 places to the right, add the percent sign. How do you change a decimal into the nearest equivalent fraction? Multiply the decimal by the desired denominator. The result becomes the numerator in the fraction. What are two different ways that a ratio may be expressed? As a fraction, by placing a colon between the two numbers, by using the word 2 between the two numbers. What is a proportion? A statement of equality between two or more ratios. What is meant by the root number? A root is two or more equal smaller numbers that, when multiplied together, equal the specified number. How do you find the square of a number? Give an example. Multiply the number by itself. For example, 4 times 4 is 16. 7 times 7 is 49. What is a common method of making computations involving very large or very small numbers more manageable? Convert the numbers into scientific notation by using powers of 10. How is 100,000 expressed as a power of 10? Answer: 10 to the fifth power. What formula is used to find the area of a rectangle and of a triangle? For a rectangle, area equals length times width. For a triangle, area equals 1/2 base times height. Define pi. Pi is a constant that expresses the relationship between the circumference of a circle and its diameter, and it's equal to 3.1416. Describe a trapezoid. A trapezoid is a closed four-sided figure having two parallel sides and two sides that are not parallel. What is the formula for computing the area of a circle? Pi r squared.